WHO, Professor Janabi, the UN rep in Nairobi, colleague governors, the chairs of the health committees of both houses, staff, senior staff of the Ministry of Health. Your Excellency, today, this is your day, and what you have launched is a testimony of our partnership and our collaboration and our very strong membership as a country to WHO. And I want to confirm to you, Your Excellency, we are very active members of WHO. We have fulfilled all our commitments and our collaborations in disease surveillance, in many of the emergencies and epidemics, not only in our country but within our region. We have collaborated with WHO. Your Excellency, what you are launching today is that commitment of our partnership. And today's the vehicles, the ambulances, and the other items that you have flagged off that are going to our referral hospitals and our county hospitals are mainly geared towards reducing maternal and child mortality rate in our country. And Your Excellency, I want to commit to you, under your leadership and with the UHC program that we are implementing as a country, I want to commit to you and me and my team and our Council of Governors that we'll do whatever it takes that no mother or child dies. A mother walks to a facility not as a patient, but she walks to a facility to go and give us another living. So it is unconstitutional, it is immoral, but those of us you have entrusted the leadership with, we will not let down the people of Kenya, and we will not let you down. Your Excellency, before I invite you, let me invite my brother, Professor Janabi, our neighbor here from Tanzania, but now the leader of WHO Africa. He has a choice to speak in Swahili or English. He is at home. Welcome, Professor.